Imagine that you just had a baby, and that baby came out of your womanly equipment, so you know you are the mother's baby. But then the doctor decided to take a blood test from your arm and compare that DNA that came from that sample with the baby's DNA. And then he says, the baby is not your baby. I pushed that thing out of my equipment. I know that's my baby. The DNA is not the same. It can't be your baby. It's your sister's baby. Biology. Or chimerism, the medical term. So what is chimerism?
Well, it's quite simple. Under normal circumstances, we have one semen and one egg, and they fuse together to form a zygote, which then becomes the embryo, which then becomes the individual, one person. But in chimerism, it's a little different. You have two semen and then you have two eggs. They fuse together, but instead of these two zygotes becoming two individuals, they fuse together, forming one zygote, one embryo, and then just one individual. And it's just like having twins or siblings that instead of becoming individuals, they fuse together. So it's like weird. So now we have an individual that was made up out of two different cell population, and it's going to be totally random which cell population are going to make each organ. So you can have different cell population in the blood, and then the other cell population is going to make up the reproductive organs, and therefore when you take blood sample, the DNA is going to be different than in your reproductive organs, and that's why it looks like your sister had your baby, but obviously you pushed out that melon. So, but isn't that interesting?